Hello Siacoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the unbelievable changes occurring in the Siacoin. My friends, absolutely now in the July, my friends, in the beginning of the July month, the Siacoin start a good jump. But unfortunately now, today, my friends, the last 24 hours changes of the Siacoin is negative. So that is why, my friends, a lot of people confused, a lot of people worrying about the Siacoin, that what should we do in this critical situation. So my friends, don't worry about these changes, my friends. Everything will be okay. You have to just hold, my friends. Anyways, before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video, my friends. So now at this time you can see 0.013527 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Siacoin. Other side you can see, if we talk about the price changes of the Siacoin, so now the last 1 hour changes of the Siacoin is positive. Last 1 day changes of the Siacoin is negative, and last 1 week changes occurring in the Siacoin is positive, my friends. So the whole changes occurring in the Siacoin is positive. That's going good, my friends. That's going good. Anyways, let me show you more details about the Siacoin. Let me show you the price chart. Oh my god, as you can see, they're taking a huge pump. That's absolutely a great pump of the Siacoin. And now that's last 22 hours, my friends. In the last 2 hours, the Siacoin take a huge pump. And things are going good in the Siacoin, my friends. That's why I'm feeling very good. You can see this time the price falls down very badly, but now in the latest time, my friends, latest update of the Siacoin is positive. That is why I'm feeling very good. Anyways, how do you feel today about these updates? Please share your expression in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.